Hi everyone. The next time you go to a store and see chicken on sale, or you have a friend that raises chickens, that'd be great, wouldn't it? Buy a bunch and then I'll show you what to do with them. So that's what we're going to do right now. So I have about I have four chicken breasts right here and just a baking dish. And I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. So all we need to do is add some olive oil to the pan and then dump these in. And you can do this with any amount of chicken breasts. Let's say you don't have time to cook them, but you do need to cook them to prepare them. Okay, so that's perfect. 4 is perfect for this pan. And then flip them a little bit. We're gonna wash our hands later. And then I have here my own mixture of seasoning salt. So you can find that recipe on another video. So this is optional, okay? So I'm gonna just do this. You can just do plain or just do a little bit of salt and pepper. But for this one, I'm gonna just add a little bit of seasoning salts. And that is simple as that, okay? So now we're just gonna get our tin foil and we're gonna just cover it and we're gonna bake it for 40 minutes. That was really good on the ears, wasn't it? Okay, so just cover it and bake it for 40 minutes. And then I'll be back. Alrighty, our chicken is ready. So this took 40 minutes at 400 degrees, but I want you to check your chicken. It has to be 165 for it to be good to go. And because every oven is different. So this is what came out. Now, what you do with this, you can use it right away, of course. But if you want to save it, cool it off. Make sure within 2 hours you have it in the fridge, or you can freeze it. You can, if it's breast, these have bones in it, but if it's breast, you can slice them, put them in a freezer bag, and you have protein at the last minute. Right now, I'm gonna let these cool a little bit. We're gonna shred it up, and it's gonna be something special for all of us. So I hope this is easy. I hope this is inspiring for you, and thank you so much for watching.